I always wanted to do an action role, and with मर्दानी this dream of mine has come true. जितने लोग हैं जो ये फिल्म देखेंगे इंस्पायर होंगे, लड़कियां इंस्पायर होंगी IPS ज्वाइन करने के लिए. जस्ट अमेजिंग एंड वेरी वेरी हार्टनिंग, क्योंकि फिल्म जब हर रीज़न के लिए लोगों को पसंद आती है, वेदर इट इज़ द डायरेक्शन, वेदर इट इज़ द सिनेमाटोग्राफी, वेदर इट्स अ ensemble cast, whether it's the performances, the music, the background music. I think जब collectively जैसे script, dialogue, screenplay, जब collectively पूरे टीम की तारीफ़ होती है तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है, बिकॉज़ फिल्म हमेशा एक टीम मतलब बनाती है. एक टीम ही एक फिल्म को एक साथ जोड़ के रखती है, और जब पूरे टीम की तारीफ़ होती है तो फील्स वेरी वेरी गुड.
I've been very lucky with the response. Experience तो जब YRF और प्रदीप सरकार जैसे दो entities मिलके फिल्म बनाते हैं तो it was unbelievable for someone who was making a lead debut. और मैम के साथ काम करना, of course, there could be no greater compliment for an actor.
For me, the compliments are very very heartening, because when they say that we don't see Rani in the film and we see a character which is Shivani Shivaji Roy, that is very very heartening for an actor. I think the fact that they feel that there is a very strong message that has gone across and the film is making an impact, and my character is inspiring a lot of girls to be like Shivani Shivaji Roy. I think that's the biggest compliment, कि जब आप एक किरदार करते हो और उसका इम्पैक्ट लोगों की निजी ज़िंदगी में होती है तो वो इम्पैक्ट बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग है. एंड एज एन एक्टर आई थिंक जो कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स आए कि इट्स प्रॉबेबली अकॉर्डिंग टू देम माई करियर्स बेस्ट, इट फील्स गुड, बिकॉज इतने सारे फिल्म करने के बाद भी अगर उनको लगता है कि इस मोड पे दे आर फीलिंग दैट दिस इज़ माई बेस्ट, सो आई फील वेरी हैप्पी विद दिस कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स.
Look, it's been only 5 days since this film has been out. Right now I'm enjoying the moment, looking forward to the weekend that's coming. There are still a lot of my friends who haven't seen the film, so this weekend I'm going with them again. And I feel every time I see it with a new audience in a theatre, I feel that the past few months of work has been worth it. And what the biggest thing for this for me is, people often ask me कि negative role के साथ तुम debut कर रहे हो तो were you apprehensive? But people have come out of the theatre liking even that negative part, so that's a great thing.
The fact that I was getting to play a woman who is empowered and so strong and brave, and also is a character who is a female cop, तो बहुत सारी चीज़ें थी इस कैरेक्टर में जो मुझे एक फीलिंग आई जब मैं स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ रही थी कि ये करने में मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगेगा, और जितने लोग हैं जो ये फिल्म देखेंगे इंस्पायर होंगे, लड़कियां इंस्पायर होंगी IPS ज्वाइन करने के लिए. तो आई थिंक इट वाज वेरी सोल स्टरिंग एंड वेरी वेरी लाइफ चेंजिंग फॉर मी एज अ actor.
I think what's connecting is that it is such a different film in every field. The way Arthur, the DOP, has shot the film, the way it's been written, जो ensemble cast है, छोटे से छोटा किरदार अगर आप देखें, जो चाय वाला जो मैम को चाय पिलाता है, जो NGO में जो चिल्ड्रंस शेल्टर में जो औरत बैठती है. So when an ensemble comes together, the audience recognizes that. It's also a film that has no songs, no item numbers per se. It's got one anthem. तो लोगों को ये सब जब हमने अलग अलग चीज़ें ट्राई करी हैं, they appreciated it, and I think that's what's making the film work.
I think according to me what is probably working with the audience is that first time that they're watching something so real, which is a very real portrayal of a cop, a very real portrayal of a bad guy, a very real portrayal of how crime branch officers function on a day-to-day basis, and also the reality which is so stark and shown without being trying to see the easy route out. So I think these factors have actually been like a shock to the audience, been a little eye-opening that अरे अच्छा ऐसा होता है. So I think these are the factors which are making the film special, and we are lucky that we had a writer like Gopi who has been able to bring this onto the celluloid. We're lucky that Dada directed this film in a way that it needed to be directed. So I think all these factors collectively have made the film very very special. Yes, actually I always wanted to do an action role, and with Mardani this dream of mine has come true. And not only is it an action,
I know that. Yeah.
Not only is it an action role, but it's also a thriller, and it's also a film with a message. So I think I hope in the future there are directors who think of me for many such roles like this, and I hope to do many such films in the future as well.